Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iatino. By the way, if you're new here, please subscribe, please ring the bell, please leave some comments, please like or dislike the videos. Please help this channel however you can. So, let's see, a fan request, not really a user request, a fan request, Snapchat, S-N-A-P. So I have on a couple different levels, starting on the daily chart. We have the major lows from the 18th of March. We all remember the bottoming in the 18th of March up to this high on the 9th of July, then drifting sideways. If you look sideways to down, but if you look here on the weekly chart, got overextended from the rotation zone, came back, drifting in the rotation zone, weekly rotation zone, 37.5% pullback, and rotating back up very nicely to new highs. Just wondering where we sit with where is that? All right, now I can see. So let's see, we had 91.87, 97.7, so we still have a potential divergence setup. Still a potential divergence setup could be forming on Snap. And by the way, let me jump back to that weekly. Sorry for jumping around a little. We are getting overextended on the weekly. Again, doesn't mean it has to reverse. This is where you know where your stops are and you start ratcheting them up. So if it does get the reversal, you can at least exit. By the way, the major support on the weekly is coming in just below the 12.5% retracement, which is a prior breakout level. So that's the key area I'd be watching for the first level support should it sell off. Let's see where we're sitting on the daily. So now I have the most recent swing. Remember, we use a long-term swing and the most recent swing as the two prominent ones. Here's the most recent swing. Projected up to the high on the October 6th, which gave us 28.69. Today spiking through it, but pretty much closing 28.66. Closing right at that level. What did it spike to? Oh, right around what was the high today. The high today was 29.08. So, which was also, we had the level from way back when. Remember, way back July 9th and then March 18th gave us 29.12. So that was pretty much dead on with today. So we had the minor level, which got the close, the major level, which got today's high. Above that, your next major level is 31.48 should it continue. We don't technically have a pausing bar, but since I don't cover Snap all the time, I'm going to give you an idea, in case this is a pausing bar, in case we do get a pullback, what the next key levels are. So we'd have 30.14 and about 31.20 to 31.48. So those are all your key levels. Support right now, let me zoom in. Back to auto. So you see we have this little resistance shelf which becomes support with the rising rotation zone. So I'll be watching for support about 27.50 to about 27.65. First level major support back down at the 12.5% retracement right around 26.50. So that's the bottom of the daily rotation zone and that's the top of the weekly rotation zone. So should Snap have a bigger pullback, that is your major support level for the time being. That's a real quick rundown of Snapchat and how we do things here, and I'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.